Today is the first day of the happiest day of my life. I've been looking forward to this day since forever. But you know what they say, the journey of 1,000 days starts with one. And now we're here. I am lost for words. I don't have the right words to say. But Trey, if you get this, I love you and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. You're gonna be Mrs. Ario.
I was believing God for a husband. I knew I wanted to, marry, be a wife. And so I figured, I'll put that into prayer. So I started writing down my prayers for my future husband. And I have been writing since 2017, just random stuff if I think about it or whatever's on my heart, praying for him, our children, future, everything. So all in here, probably about 60 prayers, and today I wrote the last one. Short and sweet. It says, I started this journal long before I knew, and today is the day. You are the summation of my prayers. I am so ready to be your wife. See you at the altar. I love you, Trey.
By performing his first miracle at a wedding in Cana, Jesus shows us how significant the wedding ceremony is. And you and I are privileged to join together this man and this woman in this holy estate. Would you repeat these words after me? I, Eni, take thee, Traiana, to my wedded wife.
I, Eni, take thee, Traiana, to my wedded wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Say, I, Traiana, take thee, Eni.
I, Traiana, take thee, Eni.
To my wedded husband.
To my wedded husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse.
For richer or poorer.
For richer or poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Weddings are especially sweet because as the minister we get the honor of providing them the opportunity of truly sealing their wedding ceremony. And I get the privilege of saying to Eni, you may salute your bride.
All right.